morning once again, friends. Now we'll continue the poem Road Not Taken, Part 3. Let us remind that what we have learnt in the Part 2. In the Part 2, we learnt that the poet said that both the roads, they were equally used. Now in the third stanza, the poet says, and both that morning equally lay in leaves, no steps had trodden black. In leaves, no steps had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Now, in third stanza, Robert Frost, the poet, says that in the morning, both the roads were looking equal. They were looking or seemed similar to each other. If you observe, if you talk about the leaves, he said that the leaves on both the ways, on both the roads were looking fresh. They were not trodden. They were not turned into black color. Now trodden means walked over. Here the poet says that if you see the prima facie both the roads, the leaves on both the roads were looking fresh. It seems that no steps had walked over, nobody had, in simple language we can say that no traveler had travelled over there and made the leaves, we can say, fade or black. So that's why he says that in leaves no steps had trodden black. But now the poet makes a difficult decision, a very important decision. He says, oh, I kept the first. Yes, friends. Now the poet makes a that is the important decision. A difficult situation, we can say decision also. He says, oh, I kept the first for another day. He was knowing that he is a one traveler, he could not travel both, so he decided to take the another road. So what's about the first, you might be thinking. So he said, he made it clear that he kept the first for another day. He hoped that the first road I will travel some next time, somewhere in future. He said that yet knowing, try to understand the line, yet knowing how way leads on to way. So he was aware that one road will lead to another road. It means once we go ahead in life, by choosing one path, then from that road also there will be some other roads. From that action, from that line, there will be other subline or subdivision. So it will be impossible for us to come back again. So the same way in the life he says that whenever we take a decision, then that decision we cannot withdraw back, because from that decision we will have to go, the results will be there. Some other parts will be there. So we can't come back to the first or the origin point and we'll select the first one which we have already left. Say for taking the example of the students of the grade 9th or the 10th. Say after 10th we have to select, say for example, either science or the commerce. Now once you decided that I will go for the science and started your journey in 11th, and after completing the 11th you think, okay, this is not cup of my tea, I can't continue with that, that I want to start the commerce, then you can't come back directly to the 12th commerce. So the same way in the life, whenever we have to take the decision, we should be very careful. Give some time to take the decision and then decide. Because once we take steps ahead, that will be very difficult. That will come back and will go for the other way. That's why he said, I doubted if I should ever come back. It's very golden line he says. I doubted if I should ever come back. Means once we have taken the decision, once we will go in one direction, then it will be very difficult for anyone in real life to come back again and go or select the first one. So this paragraph is very important one. This says in life, certain point of time we have to take some firm decision, and they are turning point, especially in the student's life. If you don't choose the right school, if you don't choose the right teacher, if you don't choose the right course, then after passing years and years, my dear children, if you come to know that I have done the mistake, it will be very difficult to rectify your error. So that's why it is very important for us, and especially I will say for the students, choose or take the decision wisely. Don't go that where the mob is going. Think twice, thrice, and then take a decision. Because your decision can change your life. Yes or no? Exactly, yes. Okay friends, this is the paragraph 3 of stanza 3. If you like this part 3 of the road not taken, then you can suggest to others also, share this video to others, like this and subscribe it. And if you want more videos on grammar topic from grade 6 to grade 10 and grade 11th and 12th commerce, accountancy, business administration, economics, you can write in comment section. Definitely I will back to you. Thank you and have a good day.